LightPips. Okay, so let's see who is watching me and where you are watching from. Let's just quickly do that in the next few minutes before we start talking about what to trade, what to buy, what to sell. Okay, so and you can just take your time to just like the video and also share the video with with every traders that you have. Just video. Okay, and share the video, like the video, share the video. All right, now there is one important thing which is called CPI. Now we need to take our time to talk about what CPI is all about. Okay, all right. Hello, Favor. So nice to meet you. Okay, so let's continue. So for gold, gold has been doing something that we don't understand recently. Gold all through yesterday was, nose diving. And when you say something is nose diving, that means the price of gold was just going down. In as much as I tried following the price a bit, but then I had to just, take myself out of the market. Now, today we are expecting a very important news called CPI. CPI simply means Consumers Price Index. What is Consumers Price Index? All right, so don't forget, like the video and also don't forget to share the video. Okay, if you've not subscribed to the channel, just click on subscribe so that you can also put on your notification so that anytime I'm going live, you can always join me so that we can milk this market together. Okay, so back to what CPI is all about. CPI simply means Consumers Price Index. What is Consumers Price Index? Basically, it is an indicator. Now, in an economy, they tend to look at what the percentage of CPI is. There is what is called CPI, which is month by month. Also, there is CPI, which is year over year. Now, there's a video I did. You can just go to my channel to just check out all those videos. Okay, so now CPI, we said, is Consumer Price Index. And then one thing I discovered is that it is one of the major news events that traders look out for to trade across the globe. And then I asked myself a question. If traders look out for this news to be traded, obviously we can find a way to help traders to become profitable by trading this kind of news. Well, we have less than 16 minutes to join what is happening in the market. Currently, right now, gold is trying to find its feet. Gold is doing up and down. But then I'm going to giving you entry price and take profit that you are going to use so that you can take advantage of the market. All right, don't forget to like the video and share this video. The first instrument we are going to be talking about is gold. XAUUSD. XAUUSD. XAUUSD for some, but I'm telling you now that XAUUSD is the same thing as gold. Now, for those that wants to trade XAUUSD, I would just want you to, take your pen, take your book. XAUUSD is your neighbor, all right? That's nice, that's nice. That's from, okay? So if XAUUSD is your neighbor, please, can you tell us what your neighbor will do in the next 2, 3, or 4 minutes? All right, so let's quickly get on with this, okay? XAUUSD, buy stop. Buy stop for XAUUSD. Buy stop XAUUSD. The price is going to be at 4038.04, okay, which is what I'm seeing on my system currently. That's, if I'm correct, 4038.84 rather. Okay, so let's quickly do this now. 4038.84. So if we're having 4038.84 as our entry price, then our take profit level is just going to hang around 4061.38. 4061.38. Let me just quickly come again. Buy stop for gold XAUUSD. Entry price is 4038.84. Then take profit at 4. Our sell stop is going to be at, somewhere below this point here. Now, entry price for sell stop will be, are you ready? Okay, entry price for sell stop is at 4008.17. 4008.17. Then take profit at 3990.70. Let me just quickly do that again. Take profit at 3990.00. All right, don't forget to like this video. All right, okay, just comment in the section there. What instrument do you want me to, give you trading hints on? Since we have, quite some number of persons, that are viewing and that are joining this live session. So, what instrument do you want me to talk about? Let's have it. Let's have the instrument that you want. Mention the instrument. Mention the instrument. Let's have the instrument there. All right. Which instrument do you want me to talk about? Okay, somebody said, all right, I'm waiting for you, waiting for you. The video, share the video, subscribe to the channel so that you can get more trading analysis from this video. So we are done with XAUUSD. Let me quickly move to my favorite instrument. What is my favorite instrument? USD JPY. Come on, can you just give it up for USD JPY? All right, USD JPY. Now, one of my favorite instruments. Okay, yes. Now, you're asking for Bishop. Bishop is quite good. Bishop is quite good. People also call me Bishop, but I'm not Bishop. All right. So let's go on with this very fast. USD JPY. I'm still doing what I've been doing. People what to buy, how to buy, and when to buy. And I will never stop doing that, because it is one of the ways we give back to the community as a trader. Okay, we help the trading community to grow, to become more profitable than they can ever be. All right. So like this video once again, and just comment the instrument you want me to do after USD JPY. So for USD JPY, because we are less than 10 minutes away from the news, okay, USD JPY, I'm going to be looking at sell stop first. Sell stop. What is sell stop? Okay, now sell stop is an order you set for the market. If price wants to fall, you can easily join the movement of price. Okay, what is sell stop? Okay, now let's do this. Sell stop for USD JPY at 162.024. 162.024. Sell stop. Entry price for USD JPY at 162.024. Then let's do our take profit. Take profit, which is TP. Take profit. All right. Take profit at 161.870. Let me come again. 161.870. I'm actually expecting dollar to lose strength somehow because that's quite strong lately. That's quite strong. So the other asset to lose dive. Okay. Now, but for today, depends on what the news will say. So if the news is good, we expect to rise dollar. If the news is bad, we expect dollar to lose strength. Okay, so let's quickly move on. Let's move on. Okay, I've given you the sell stop. Now let's talk about buy stop. Buy stop. What is buy stop? Buy stop is an order that you set for the market. if price wants to rise, you can easily join the price so that it goes in your direction. Okay, so now buy stop for USD JPY, entry price at 162.397. Entry price for buy stop USD JPY 162.397. 162.397. Then our profit for this USD JPY that we are trading is going to be at 162.569. 162.569. All right, I hope you got that. Okay, so we have 162.569. That is our take profit for this instrument. All right, so whether price wants to rise or price wants to fall, we can easily join price. Okay, have you liked the video? Have you shared the video? Ensure that for every traders that share it with them so that they can take advantage of what is about to happen by 1:30. We are less than 7 minutes away from the news. Okay, and I'm going to quickly tell you, about some of the major news events that have been released. Okay, so some of the major news events that have been released. You have NFP every first Friday of the month. NFP. NFP simply non-farm payroll. Non-farm payroll. What is NFP? It simply means non-farm payroll. We are not doing that today. What we are doing today basically has to do with CPI, which I earlier mentioned. It means Consumers Price Index. Okay, so now for somebody that is looking for Bishop is in, so you can just just do a I to Bishop. Okay, just look for Abolari Victor Oluwasegun. So that's the Bishop you have been looking for. Okay, all right, so let's quickly continue. Remember to like the video and share this video. Okay, somebody say you can't share. All right, let's see, but then I can easily share this video so you have a slight technical issues. Okay, so let's continue from where we stopped. We stopped at USD JPY, right? So let's pick it up. Okay, so you can just still continue to like the video, share the share the video. All right, so what else do we have? There's another instrument I would have loved to share with us. Another instrument I would have loved to share with us. That's the instrument that most people usually run away from. But one thing you need to understand is, depending on the broker you are using, all right, depending on the broker you are using, that determines how volatile or how heavy the price movement of that instrument will be. Okay, so it's the likes of US 100, US 2000. Okay, those are instruments that are quite heavy on some platform, and on some platform they are not heavy. So you need to just pick your choose. Okay, most traders actually trade gold and currency, while some traders they deal with commodities like corn, cocoa, coffee. All right, but all these other instruments are not really affected with all this kind of news impact that we are looking at. Anything that has to do with the dollar will definitely be affected. All right, it will definitely be affected. So let's get this done with less than 3 minutes to the news. So let's look at the details of the news. Just hold on. All right, so I think I got this. All right. Okay. Just hold on. Okay, so let's continue. So less than 2 minutes for the news. Oh man. Okay, so just get ready. Immediately it is 1:30. Get ready to take any action I'm going to be giving you. All right, so for the core CPI, we have the previous to be 0.2%, forecast to be 0.2%. That means they are not expecting any major change. Okay, then the core CPI, which is Y year over year, the previous 2.9%, expected forecast 2.8%, then have, you know, less than what it was before. But then less than 1 minute to go. News 0.5% for the PI itself, which is for last previous data. Then forecasted figure minus 0.1%. All right. So guys, are you ready? Are you ready for what is about to happen now? In less than 30 seconds, we are going to be looking at how the market will be flying either up or down. Market will be flying either up or down. So get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. I'm going to do the countdown from 10. Okay, so we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there you have it. So what's happening? XAUUSD, okay, trying to retrace back up. All right, XAUUSD, it has peaked our buy. It has peaked our buy. XAUUSD has taken profit because it has gotten to 4075 now, and our take profit is 4061. XAUUSD has gotten to take profit. Even USD JPY has taken profit. The sell. Remember, I was telling you that I'm expecting the news to come out bad for dollar. Bad for dollar. Okay, and the news, here we have it. All the news we are expecting for dollar came out bad. Very, very bad. So you can keep buying gold. You can keep buying gold. Keep buying gold. All right. But let me give you where you will stop buying gold. Okay. Keep buying gold. It's still going higher. Still going higher. Still higher. Okay. Now, what you will do, pick your stop loss to go above your entry price. All right. Put your stop loss above your entry price before it starts retracing. Okay, gold is ready to actually find its way up. But let me do, a longer analysis for you guys. This is 4 hours time frame. If you're buying, you can, close your buy trade and just go out of the market for now. Then you go to 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame so that you can be scalping gold right now. 1 minute time, on 1 minute time frame, you have one long candle. Okay, another one has started.